Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So this is looking relatively bullish. We are in an uptrend. We have a swing low here, we have a current swing low at the moment, and we have diversions. Our line in the sand is still the same. We did bounce off it yesterday to the downside as expected. That was 34.014. We'll have a look at that on the lower time frames at the moment. But if we look at what's happening here, it does look like it's a little bit of a flag forming with the oscillators, and if we start drilling down through the time frames, you'll see 3 hours already crossed over. Nice big juicy rejection bar here, and gonna just drop it down to these two here. That seems to be what is going on. So that is our zone. Let's just call it a zone at the moment, and to be honest, I'm going to want to see a break either side of that before committing to anything. So if we look at the hour, you can see yesterday we did come up to the top, didn't quite get there, and that's why we had a couple more attempts at it. But one thing is clear, the 155 has come into play here, so we are below it. This could be a sort of a trend reversal, so the trend was up. We are testing the 155. Don't really like it when it tests more than once. So in other words, that would have been an entry. You would have had a stop just above there, so it's a 109-point stop loss. But at the moment, you'd be 66 points in the green at the moment, and I'm not sure I would have held that overnight anyway. So if we start dropping below the structures that has formed to the downside, and bear in mind there's a lot of data coming out today, so I'm just going to put this low of what was this? Tuesday, so this was Monday's, Monday's low. So if you look at Monday's low, look at how we're sort of flirting with it. We're not really finding support of it, so I'd use that as my yardstick, to be honest. I need to see us break below the 33.823, and then I need to see us take out yesterday's low as well before I'm convinced we're moving to the downside. If we look at this on the 15-minute, we do have a downward trend, but we are in amongst moving averages at the moment, and we've been in amongst moving averages going into close yesterday as well. So end of the month, lots of data coming out today, and then today and tomorrow and then Friday. So start of the new month, December, which is traditionally a strongest month of the year. Lots and lots and lots going on. From my opinion anyway, I am just going to keep my money in my pocket today. It's not worth risking anything right now, because you could get a break to the upside and then it'll probably turn and come straight back into the zone. You could get a break to the downside and turn and come back into the zone as well. So we're looking for a catalyst, and the catalyst is going to come from the data. So there's GDP coming out today, and then you've got non-farm payrolls on Friday. You've got the jobs number tomorrow. You've got Feds talking. You've got chaos in China at the moment. You've got chaos in the oil market at the moment. So there are lots of potential catalysts, but we need to wait for one of them to take hold and see which direction we're going to go. We'll have a look at Forex now and just see, maybe there's something in there that would change my opinion, but I think Forex is also going to be all over the place until close of the month, and then the first bit of data or the first catalyst comes out. Hope it helps you somewhat to just stay cash positive. So I'm sit on hands. Anyway, cheers for now, and we will catch you tomorrow.